Good morning to Bachu's Cooking Corner. Today we are cooking Pessarattu or the moong dal dosa. It's a moong dal green grain which is soaked overnight. 1 cup of the moong dal is soaked overnight with half a cup of rice. The water is drained a little out of this. Retain some water for blending. Mix both of these and start blending in a blender. Add also ginger into the blended mixture and also add 1 jalapeno or green chili, whatever you have. You can add 2 green chilies or 3 green chilies. I'm having 1 jalapeno here now to add. And this goes into the blended mixture. I'm adding it. So into the blender, I've added the green chilies or the jalapeno I'm right now adding, and also the ginger into the mixture of rice and the moong dal, which were soaked overnight. I'm using a Vitamix blender, which is a good blender. So blend it in the blender like this. Blend it as long as the mixture is coarse. You can add some water too into the mixture if you think it's too hard. Or into the blended mixture or the batter, I've added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, and this is how the blended batter looks like for Pessarattu. Pessarattu is, as I said in Telugu, is Pesalu is the green moong dal, and Attu means dosa. That's how the name is. The original name is Pessarattu. Now for the upma, for 1 cup of the upma, I took 3 cups of water and kept it for boiling, which has to be tossed into the tempered and fried upma. I'll show you that process. First, let the water boil here. 3 cups for 1 cup of the rava or the semolina. For the stuffing of upma, I'm taking half an onion here, finely chop it, some ginger, green chilies. For the upma tempering, first take mustard seeds. Take a table and a half of, I'm using here, the ghee or clarified butter. And also you can add later on with this urid dal and jeera, that is cumin seeds. For the tempering, take 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, add mustard seeds, urid dal, cumin seeds, then add the onions and the green chilies. Also add the LG asafoetida powder. Add the onions, green chilies, and also some ginger. This is the asafoetida powder I use in the tempering. That's an LG brand, a good brand. You can use this. Let the tempering mixture fry good. As long as the onions are a little brown, then you can add the fried semolina, that is the upma rava. When the onions are translucent, you can add the semolina. So into this mixture, add the ginger. Also add salt to taste. Now the water is coming to boil here. Add this boil into this mixture. This is how upma looks. This is the stuffing which is going into the Pessarattu. The batter is spread onto the pan. This is the special dosa pan I have at home. I spread 2 big spoons of the batter on the pan. I'm also sprinkling little cumin seeds on the batter. That is the spread batter or dosa. Okay, that's the exact word you need to use for this. Attu dosa. Okay, the Pessarattu. Now once with the upma, it's called as, MLA Pessarattu. Let the dosa fry all around very well. Add the upma stuffing into the dosa on the top. This is the second dosa. I've also put some clarified butter, ghee on that. For the second dosa, I'm also frying on the second side in the pan. That is, you have to flip the dosa and fry it. After the second side is brown, which I flipped and turned it over now, it is brown now, it is cooked. Now you can add the upma stuffing. That's the Upma Pessarattu or MLA Pessarattu. Start with upma. And that's the condiments. This is the ginger chutney, and which is made by my wife Vijaya. This is the green chutney, cilantro, which also is made by my wife Vijaya. And this is a condiment from the stores, Hyderabad stores. This is also ginger chutney. Goes good with this. So this is the final stuffed Upma Pessarattu, or sometimes it's also called as MLA Pessarattu.